Hi, welcome back to Postbox CA channel and back to Computer Architecture and Organization series. This is a tutorial for exclusive who are preparing and going to appear for the GATE, UGC and NET examinations. Let's go for continuation. Today we are going to discuss a topic called logic instructions in computer organization architecture. The part of data manipulation. You know the type of instructions. Previous sessions I explained about you type of instructions. What that is data transfer instructions. One more is data manipulation. And last one is program control instructions. We are seeing step by step here. So previous session I explained about it. There are three types of data manipulation. There one is called arithmetic, another one is called logical, another one is called shift. So previous session I explained arithmetic operations with examples like add, subtraction, division, multiplication and so on. Today we are going to see the logic instructions, and upcoming sessions I explain the shift instructions. Let's go about today's class. Today's session we are going to see some examples, around 10 examples. Logical instructions. What are logical instructions generally? These are instructions useful for manipulating individual bits or a group of bits that represent binary coded information. The logical instruction consider each bit of the operand separately and treat it as a Boolean variable. So there are some examples. There are many logical instructions will be there. Some important we are going to see point of GATE and competitive exams. One is called clear, another one is called complement, another one is and, another one is called OR, another one is called exclusive OR, and followed by clear carry, CLRC, set carry, and complement carry, enable interrupt, at last disable interrupts. Let's see one by one now with examples. First one, clear. The clear instruction causes the specified operand to be replaced by zeros. So remember, whenever for logical instructions we are going to take care of the bits, binary bits. What kind of bits will be there? What kind of operation we can perform with the help of these instructions. So for example, I have a bit called 1110 followed by 1. Suppose I want to make clear, what happened? I can change it all become 0. I can change it to 000. That is the best example for clear. So what are bits we are going to make it a 000 initialization. So this is example for clear. Next one is complement. You know the complement instruction produces the ones complement by inverting all the bits of the operands. So all of your ideas, I think so. Let's say example of ones complement and twos complement. So for example, I have a bit called 101. I can make it convert to ones complement. That is what? That is 010. So converting ones and again add. What are the ones complement getting? Plus add 1 means we will get the answer of twos complement. Next we go for AND or exclusive OR. These are the fundamentals and the basics of digital electronics. So here we have small table where representing the basics here. For example, we have true table values called 10. If you have 10 and 00, 101 means and first of all AND operation. If you perform AND operation, what results will get? 00001. And if you get OR, we will get the result 11 followed by 0 and 1. At last XOR. XOR means remember the point. Add bits plus take twos models. Okay, adding the bits plus take care of twos models. So here if you perform this one, what will operation come? 11001 like that. So let's say some example here. One example, because upcoming session will explain more and more. And moreover, I have one more tutorial COA. There I explained elaborately about twos complement and etc. Yes, we go for let's say example. I have a bit called 00110011. So now I want to perform AND OR also exclusive 1 by 1. So what I can going to do means, now I'm going to select 3 bits. To discover one more screen here. Okay, let's assume that I am going to take grab these 3 bits. In the middle I get 3 bits. I want to perform the operation. Now I want to convert to make 3 bits as convert to 111 by default. So I am remaining this are 001 followed by, and I am going to convert to the ones format. So I am writing 111. So like that I am converting this followed by 01. So in between those things, these two numbering systems, we can 2 bit patterns we can do the OR operation. Let's go for AND operation. So I am going to do AND operation. So I want to do it. You know, AND operation most of the values will be 0 only, Boolean value. So I want to consider and I want to convert these 3 bits. Again take the example of 3 bits out of 8 bits. I want to make it 000. So remaining, if at all these 3 bits are 000, remaining bits are followed by 111 only. So I am replacing these 3 bits by 111, and here these 3 1 I am replacing by 001, and here I am placing these 2 bits by 1 1 1. So in between these two I can perform the AND operation, remember. So first two I am trying to do OR operation, another first and third bit I am going to the AND operation. Now at last we come to the exclusive OR. So exclusive OR means what? That is the complement. Go get the complement, just adding bits and the get some complement or modulus value like that. So let's say example of this bits. Take this first 100 and add this 000 now. If you add, what will get the answer here? 1 plus 0. See, first one and third row. So 1 plus 0 1 and 0 plus sorry. So this one and take this one. So I am going to AND operation exclusive OR. So I am right. I want to again make this 3 bits to 1 1 1. Remaining followed by 0 0 0. So I am replacing these 3 1 by 0 0 0 and followed by these 3 bits. I converting the 1 1. Remaining bits followed by 0 0 like that. Let's assume that. So just this is a small example for understanding purpose. Then now I want to do exclusive OR. So what I got get some values here. So I am going to take the first one, that is 100 and I am going to add with 111. So what answer will get? 1 plus 1 0 carry will be leave it. Then 0 plus 1 1 and 0 plus 1 1. So like that we can finalize the exclusive OR operation result. Or else you can go for a direct complement value. So if you want, if you make one's complement of 100, what will get? 1 will convert to 0 and 0 0 convert to 1 1 1. So like that you can confirm the AND OR exclusive OR. So upcoming sessions definitely explain anything required for this understanding purpose, understanding of this logical instructions. Let's back to presentation here. So next one is clear carry. What is clear carry? Here for example you can say I am going to add two numbers, C is equal to A plus B in the binary format of 1 0 0 0 or else 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 or 1 0 0 1. So whenever try to do the addition, do the binary operation, I may get result at last I may get 1 as a carry. If 1 carry come, I am going to other operations, I got leave it, that is a clear carry. So let's assume that I am going to do two binary, I am going to add two binary numbers, some 10001 and followed by 10001 like that. What are the results come? Last we will get the carry. If carry comes, you should be leave the carry, that is called clear carry. Next one is what? Set carry. Set carry means it's quite opposite of clear carry. That means if you have any carry will come, you have to take care and go for the next one. Suppose you are going to execute the operation for next time, you can follow this carry, whether one come or whatever that. Let's say example of, suppose I want to go for find the A minus B value. So as of now, if you go for this set carry, you have to think about the negation number, that means minus number. So if you want to find A minus B, what is the way in digital computer means or digital terms means A plus 2's complement of B. So as of how to get 2's complement, just now I told you, convert to 1's complement. What are the B value? Convert to 1's complement. At last what are the answer getting? Add with 1. So at last get the 2's complement. Then we can substitute carry A plus 2's complement of B. Then we can go for the set carry. So like that we can perform the set carry operations. Set carry operations. So you may get some answer. If carry come, you have to take care it. But clear carry you should not take care. And next one is complement carry. Complement by carry means nothing but very easy one. So whenever you get 1, so for example you are getting 1, it will be 0, converting 0. Remember. So whenever you get 1 0, you can replace with 0, or whenever you get 0, you can replace with 1. That is a simple concept of complement carry. At last is what? Enable interrupt and disable interrupt. So these are also very easy one where we can understand simply. So for example, when you do operation the CPU, what happen? For example, I am pressing the key, the keyboard and the key. What happens? CPU processor is there. Processor communicate to main memory. Their main memory at last communicate with the output, and we can view the output here. If you want to go to operations, we need support of some registers as well as some flags will be there. The 0 flag, some flag will be there. So whenever go for, let's say back to this painting here. So enable interrupt means the signal will be 1. Don't forget. So whenever you try to in the CPU monitor and doing some operations, in the interrupt, that is called interrupt signal, the interrupt will become 1 here. So whenever you are not doing operation, it becomes 0. Whenever you are not doing operation, once completed, it becomes 0 only. So that is come to the disable interrupt state with the help of only. So So enable interrupt means when you do perform operation, the CPU monitor and whatever going to do in the computer with the help of keyboard or whatever there, the enable interrupt will become 1 and go and execute the task. After executing, it becomes 0. That is called disable interrupt. Okay, these are things that know about the logical instructions. So clear, complement, and exclusive, and choose complement, and so on, and followed by last enable interrupts and disable interrupts. And the upcoming session I definitely explain the shift instructions. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, comment in the Hostpark CH channel, and stay connected with me in the social media. Anything there can communicate. Don't forget to subscribe.